In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen record in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. To record screen, you cannot find any built-in screen recorder option in your phone. So you have to download a third-party app. Just open up Google Play Store and then search for screen recorder and then download the first one, X Recorder. Give it a moment and it's done. Now just open the app, just close it, then tap on enable, then give permission from here and then go back. Then just tap on allow to get notifications. Then just tap on settings. Then go to audio settings. From here just configure your audio. You can choose any option, microphone, internal audio. I'm just select internal and microphone. And then give permission. And then go back. Then tap on video option. Now just close the app. Now you can find a floating icon which you can use to start or stop recording. Now to start a screen recording, just tap here. Then tap on this start button, then tap on share screen. You can see it's starting and that's it. Now you can see it's capturing my screen. If you want to stop it, just tap here, tap on this stop button and it's done. Now just open up your gallery and here it is. On the gallery you can find your recorded video. And that is how you can record a screen in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.